Hi, this is Krisha Warren, and today I would like to share an overview about speech preparation for this week's informative speech assignment. I will share speech preparation steps from my perspective, applying lessons learned from the course so far, and conclude with a summary. So speech preparation steps that I have learned so far through this course is, first of all, knowing this is an informative speech, which is defined by Hybels and Weaver, is to generally concentrate on explaining. I have to first decide on a topic that I want to inform the audience about, and then narrow that topic to ensure it's not too broad and fits in the given time frame. Second, know your audience. In order to prepare for the speech that will best fit those I'm delivering to, I must know that they will benefit from what I'm telling them and avoid boring them. Next, to ensure I grasp the audience's attention, I must be knowledgeable and convincing. Therefore, adequate research, definitions, relatable examples are all necessary to embed in the speech to paint a clear picture and align the topic, purposes, and ideas all together to clearly communicate and be understood by the audience. Fourth, since the beginning of this class, there have been tremendous opportunities to grow and improve my knowledge and effectiveness as a speaker, including feedback from the instructor, classmates, which are important to review for application into this week's speech. Finally, rehearsing is a valuable part of the speech preparation. Not only does it build confidence in your delivery, it also allows you to be able to adjust the content. So lessons learned. This course has definitely increased my knowledge and ability to effectively communicate, not only through reading the textbook, but also through other development opportunities and tools. Over the past 4 weeks, there have been many lessons learned that will help not only in this informative speech for this week, but also additional speeches that I will deliver in the future. First, through instructor feedback such as avoiding filler words, ensure topic is clear, and a table of contents is provided, cite sources visually. Those are some lessons learned. And then some things to continue: good use of eye contact with the camera, good flow, and then wrap up. From from peer review, a second opportunity for lessons learned, there has been examples of shared experiences, positive. Those are things that I received as far as feedback. Topics are clear and understood, sufficient details provided, but I could include more examples. So that's, again, feedback from my peers that I've had an opportunity to receive and be able to apply for this week's course or this week's speech. Personal reflections is another lesson learned. Although watching myself on video is not the most comfortable or natural thing, I found great value in doing so and completing the reflections. So it's a great exercise, and to take time to actually do it and review the video and actually complete the reflection. It allows me the ability to be the critic of myself, and then there's instant feedback to apply for the future. And then finally, the rubrics. They are clear black and white roadmap that outlines what the expectations are for the speeches. They serve as a blueprint to help us design our speech and be successful. I personally focus on the proficient areas to stretch myself for the best possible grade. So to summarize, in order to deliver this week's informative speech, it is important to follow various preparation steps, as well as review feedback to apply to the final speech, and then, of course, conduct the speech. Thank you.